I made a small upgrade to the invoice template in Google Sheets. Now, the invoice template is already there in Google Sheets. It's like a standard template that Google made, which is pretty cool. You can put in your company name, you can have items, there are, prices. It's not super automated. If you're okay doing this manually, it's a very good template. But there's one thing that was missing. So a lot of times you'll have a discount, something you can offer someone for paying up front, for example, or for paying in cash. And you can set your discount here. This is the change that I made to the spreadsheet template. And you can get it from Spreadsheet Point. You could just make a copy of my template. Make sure you're logged into Google. If you're in with a Google account and you click my link, then it will take you to this file. You'll have view access and you can click File, Make a Copy to make your own. Then enter the items here. You can update quantity as well, unit price, and it will automatically figure out the total based on the quantity times the unit price. But the cool thing here is you can set the discount. So maybe you want a 10% discount, or maybe you want a 20% discount. Everything updates automatically for you. You could also add a line item for tax, but I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. So you can just use this again at spreadsheetpoint.com. Update your company name, your address, your phone number, add in the information for your client, the items, and then update the discount, and the total will automatically update for you. And that is the free invoice template at spreadsheetpoint.com.